Florida. All right, Andrew Sheridan. Woo! Come on now.
What is going on, guys? It is Saturday, NMRA Orlando. So we got the GT500. This is my stick shift 1,000 horsepower car. We're not quite touching 1,000 horsepower today. I'm on the keyboard tuning. Today we got a different game plan than yesterday. We are getting our license passes done. But today our only goal is to, one, qualify for stick shift shootout, which is Sunday. So we got to do the true street 30-mile cruise. We got to make 3 back-to-back passes and make it so that we can run stick shift shootout Sunday. So our second goal is we got to get this thing to 60 foot. Every track is different. We got to change the settings, the tune, the suspension. Everything's different every track, every time. So I just put some baseline settings into the Vikings from Kelly, from Keltrack. I changed the tune up, I softened it up. Let's see if we can get it to go 60 foot, and the rest doesn't matter. We got 4 passes today to get the 60 foot dialed for Sunday eliminations in the stick shift shootout. If we make the 30-mile cruise and 3 passes and go anywhere in a 10 or 9 second pass, we should qualify for the stick shift shootout. So if you see a pass in the car today and it does go super fast, just know that our only goal is make it, qualify, and 60 foot. That is our only plans, and we're also getting our NHRA drag license so that we're legal to run 850s. We're also going to get the cage certed today too. All right, we're in the lanes. I got my fat suit on, and we're getting ready to make a pass. Like I said before, 60 foot's important. It's turned down. If it goes well, it'll go high 9. If it doesn't go well, it'll go somewhere in a 10. But it doesn't really matter. We're getting our license pass done, and we're getting some data for the 60 foot. So whatever time it runs, it runs. So we'll get the data and make some tweaks from there. What's up, bro? Maybe high 9, low 10. It wasn't that fast, but it was all right. Thank you. There we go. Working. 9.8, 145. We can improve on that. It was pretty soft up the 60 foot. I could add a ton more power. I'm happy with that. Moving in the right direction, boys. And it was pretty turned down. I turned it down so that we can go down track, get my license pass in, get a 60 foot in, and I'm happy with that. That's a solid A to B pass. Great start to the morning. I'm happy with that. We got some data log. We should have nice suspension video. So now we're working somewhere, working towards something. Okay. We go 60 foot. Got everything on. It is hot, 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 hot. So toasty. splash sauce. We'll turn her down from there. It's also super hot. All right, I don't think I talked about the last pass. Too much spice. We'll turn her back down for the next one. So the way this True Street thing works, I've talked a little bit about it, but I've done it a few times with the Cobra and the other cars, but we go on a 30-mile cruise. It's to prove that your car is a street car, and in this car, air quotations is necessary, but 30-mile cruise, we come back, we can't change fuel, we can't do, you know, anything to the car besides tire pressure, really limited on what we can do. And then we make 3 back-to-back passes. They take averages, so it's not a heads-up race. So it's not heads up, but then it's gonna qualify us for the stick shift shootout, assuming we make it through all 3 runs. So that's the goal. See what we can do, and yeah, hopefully it's a nice, relaxing cruise. No overheating. Should have plenty of fuel. So yeah, sweet.
blast.
Oh yeah, hold on, let me put it on for you, bud.
There you go.
Sorry. Yeah, open these guys up.
Oh,
let it flow.
Amazing.
It's so good. Yeah, but I don't like to spoil my girl too much, you know. My girl. By forever and everything. You stupid. Shut up.
I believe we're gonna go straight to the staging lanes and then get ready for 3 passes.
Yep. Check the tire pressure, and I'm gonna load the softer tune in it and go down track. Go like a 9 something.
Mr. Junior right there. Wow.
Have you seen that video of the bus driver that's like,
oh yeah, the one finger moving the shifter.
You ready? I'll get you a nice 1-2. Ready?
Fancy.
There's the flames. I'd like to take credit. I designed this coolant system myself. It's pretty hot out. Didn't die. It actually ran pretty good all the way through. So, yeah, we're gonna go put her in the staging lanes, get the tune-up set, check the tire pressure, and yeah, see what we can do. This will be our last single pass for our licensing, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, we're gonna basically put that same 9.8 tune in it with a hair more boost up top and try to get a 950 dialed in, and we'll go from there. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that, you know, 910 tune up in it. It's just it's been too hard, and we don't have a ton of passes, so we're just gonna work on getting it to something that we can be consistent with.
Alrighty, so Andrew's about to make his first pass after the cruise. He has one more license pass. Ready?
Yeah. You see Vaughn's Fox?
Yeah, I know.
And Chelsea's Fox.
Vaughn's here. Denofa's right up there. They're actually going to be going head to head in a little drag race. Should be pretty cool to see.
Did I get helmet on, or?
I would wait on helmet. You got a few minutes.
How many more cars?
There's 2 cars back there. So yeah, so after this round of cars go, there's only about 2 left back there. Then Andrew's row will go. So really quick, I'll just show you guys. You guys probably all seen this before. Vaughn's car. There's Parker. And then here's Chelsea's car. This actually, I was surprised. I didn't know it. This actually has a 4-cylinder, 2.3 liter EcoBoost. Maybe a low 10, high 9. Okay, so unfortunately Andrew is not allowed to make his last license pass, which has to be solo. They said that basically you can't do it during eliminations, so we're gonna just go ahead and run out this next 2 passes and then hopefully try and get in one last pass solo for tonight before tomorrow for the shootout. But on a positive note, Vaughn is actually changing his wheels for more grip.
Kind of opted for the little dry hop. All right, by show of hands in the grandstands, who thinks Chelsea's going to take them off to school? Let me see ya. Looks like...
Alrighty, y'all, it's 3rd round, last pass after the cruise, and Andrew's running Jeffy.
Average, Joe Parisi goes 15.
Did pretty good. 10:08 average. See if that's good enough for the 10:0 full average winner. Who knows? I don't know what anyone else ran, but hopefully we qualified for stick shift shootout, which is tomorrow. Car got pretty hot. I'll be honest, you know, 3 passes back to back after a 30-mile cruise. I put in an ECT and an IAT modifier, so it'll pull timing when the ECT and IAT gets high. So we got timing pulled all the way from 21 degrees down to 14 degrees. So that's why I really didn't mile an hour up top. We're still kind of battling, you know, figuring out the 60 foot at this track and this temp and everything. We're gonna try back at it tomorrow morning and see if we can get that 1.4, 130, 60 foot and get the 910 tune up in it and have some fun tomorrow. So tonight we'll see what happens with the awards. But if that's the last clip, hit the like button, leave a comment, let us know what you think, and we'll see you in the next one. Check out Vengeance Clutch. They're also here, and so we're parking the cars, and that's why we run in the cars, and we got Brad's car out here. So we'll see you in the next one.
Florida. You gotta get Florida. All right, Andrew Sheridan. Woo! Come on now. Number 2 qualifier. Look at him waiting in line. Want to pounce on this. Your friend of mine, Jeffrey K. Smith III. Come on now.
Let me get one really quick. Hell yeah, bud.
And your number 1
I want something.
qualifier.
Let me see. Woo!
Shootout.
There you go, buddy.
What?
This is for you.
No.
That's for you, buddy.
Kyle Miller. There you go. Number 1 qualifier gets to say something on the microphone.
So Tuesday I quit my job just to come here and race. Broke my trans last week at Streetcar Takeover. Called a bunch of favors from Hanover Motorsports and a few other people, and we're here. It's not as fast as it normally is, but I'm here.
Congrats, man.
Woo!
Congratulations. For 1 second, can I have Aaron McCormick come back up here?